You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, tachometer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.